video, you are going to learn how to find separate equation of pair of lines. Many students struggle to find separate equation. They stuck up while finding the factors of the equation. Sometimes factors not easily possible. So, keeping in view that difficulty of students, I have designed this video. In this video, I am going to tell you a very unique method, very easy method. By that, you can find out separate equation of any equation of pair of lines given in your textbook. To help you, I am going to solve four unique problems. First problem, second problem, third problem, and fourth problem. I am going to solve four problems with the help of idea, and I am going to give you the shortcut method and easy method so that you can solve any other difficult problems. So let's start today's video to find out separate equation of lines represented by these four equations. Whenever the equation of pair of line is given, we need to separate both the equation. We know that this is a first line, this is a second line. Equation of the first line u equals to 0 and equation of second line v equals to 0, where u is a linear equation in terms of x and y, either x or either y as well as, and the equation of second line v equals to 0, it is also equation of straight line in terms of x, y are both. So here is the given equation 4y square plus 8xy equals to 0. Whenever they ask you to find out separate equation, first of all, think the simple algebra. By using simple algebra, you can easily get factors, and after getting the factors, you will get the two equations. So here 4y square plus 8xy equals to 0. So what I do here, I take common, like 4y I have taken common here. So I got here y and 8xy. So 4 common already taken, y is also taken common. So here 2x equals to 0. Therefore 4y equals to 0 is the first equation, and y plus 2x equals to 0 is the second equation. 4y equals to 0 implies y equals to 0 and y plus 2x equals to 0. Therefore, the separate equation of line, that is u equals to 0, nothing but y equals to 0. And the second equation v equals to 0, nothing but y plus 2x equals to 0. So y equals to 0 is the first equation and y plus 2x equals to second equation. So this is the first equation and this is the second one. 1 and 2 are nothing but separate equation of lines represented by 4y square plus 8xy equals to 0. In this way, by finding the factor, you can easily find out separate equation of given pair of lines. Second problem, find separate equations of lines represented by 5x square minus 9y square equals to 0. Solution. So here 5x square minus 9y square equals to 0. So whenever the equations are given, a little bit logic to be applied. You cannot directly find out the factors. So here is a y square, here is a 9. 9 can be written as a 3 square. Here is a square is there, but 5 is not in square form. So in my mind, the formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. This is running. This formula is running in my mind. As soon as I saw the problem, this formula came into my mind. So whenever a equation is given, first of all, we think about the common logic, the common algebra. If it is not possible, then we go for formula. What is that formula? Even I am going to tell you. So the 5 is not in the square form. So 5 can be written as a root 5 square. So the given equation can be modified. Root 5 square x square minus 3 square y square equals to 0. This can be written as root 5x whole square minus 3y whole square equals to 0. Now I can apply this formula. A square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b, where a is nothing but root 5x and b nothing but 3y. So a square minus b square, so that is root 5x plus 3y is the first bracket, that is a plus b, and root 5x minus 3y, that is the second bracket. Therefore a plus b, this is a plus b, it is a minus b. So we got here the two bracket. First bracket gives the equation of first line and the second bracket gives the equation of second line. So first equation, root 3x plus 3y equals to 0, and second equation, root 5x minus 3y equals to 0. So these are required separate equation of lines. Separate equations of root 5x square minus 9y square equals to 0. This can be called as a u equals to 0, and this can be called as a v equals to 0. So we got two equations here. Here is the third example. Find separate equations of lines given by 8x square minus 10xy minus 3y square equals to 0. Solution. First of all, comparing with standard equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0 implies a equals to 8 and h equals to minus 5 and b equals to 3. Now I give you directly one relation, one formula to find out separate equation of lines. What is that formula? Formula is, here is a one bracket, here is a x, here is a by equals to 0. This is the first equation. Here is a second bracket, here is a x plus by equals to 0. Now what to write in this bracket? Here you have to write down h square minus ab. Here as well as you have to write down h square minus ab. It is a h square. Then here is a plus, here is a minus, then here is a h, here is a h. So by using this relationship, this formula, you can find out easily separate equation of two lines. Here is the minus, b value is minus 3. Now putting these values in this formula, so h value minus 5 plus under root of h square minus 5 whole square minus ab, that is 8 into minus 3 bracket close x plus by, that is minus 3y equals to 0. So minus 5 plus under root of 25 plus 24 bracket close plus x minus 3y equals to 0. Now further simplification, so we get minus 5 plus 7x minus 3y equals to 0. How I got 7? 25 plus 24, that is 49. Root of 49 is 7. It is plus or minus 7, but I have selected here plus. So it is 2x minus 3y equals to 0 is the equation of first line. Similarly, equation of second line, calculations are same. only here minus will come. At one place the symbol will change, remaining calculations are same. So to find the equation of second line, minus 5 minus 7x minus 3y equals to 0. Here is a only here the symbol will change. After the taking the root, one time we write plus, another time we write minus. So minus 12x minus 3y equals to 0. Now take 3 common, so minus 4x and minus y equals to 0. Minus 4x minus y equals to 0. Therefore, equation of second line is 4x plus y equals to 0. So separate equation of line 2x minus 3y equals to 0, and second one 4x plus y equals to 0. Example 4. Find separate equations of lines given by minus x square plus 2 cosec alpha xy minus y square equals to 0. Comparing with standard equation, we get a equals to minus 1 and h equals to cosec alpha and b value equals to minus 1. Separate equation of the line is given by h plus under root of h square minus ab multiplied by x plus by equals to 0, and the second equation h minus under root of h square minus ab multiplied by x here plus by equals to 0. So h value is cosec alpha. So let me write here cosec alpha plus under root of h square, that is cosec alpha whole square minus a value minus 1, b value minus 1. This entire thing multiplied to x plus by, that is b nothing but minus 1 into y equals to 0. Simplifying this, so we get cosec alpha plus cosec square alpha minus 1, and everything is multiplied x here plus minus y equals to 0. And the second equation would be the same, only plus and minus difference. So here is cosec alpha, here is minus, here is the under root of cosec square alpha minus 1 and multiply to x plus by equals to 0. Now, so here is cosec alpha, cosec square alpha minus 1 nothing but cot square alpha multiplied to x minus y equals to 0, and second equation is cosec alpha minus under root of cot square alpha multiplied to x plus b value nothing but minus 1, by equals to 0. Here we could have kept minus 1. So this is equivalent to cosec alpha plus cot alpha multiplied to x minus y equals to 0, and cosec alpha minus cot alpha multiplied to x minus y equals to 0. So these are the two equations, separate equation. The first equation is cosec alpha plus cot alpha x minus y equals to 0, and second equation cosec alpha minus cot alpha multiplied to x minus y equals to 0. So this required separate equations. it is my personal experience that many of the students, they make mistake while finding out separate equation. Therefore, I thought why not to make a video on this one so that it will solve the problem of many of my students. And this formula is very unique and very simple to use and very easy to get the answers. So I request you practice this formula and try to solve more questions from your textbook. If you have any such doubts, any difficulties, let me know through the comment box. Meet you again with next topic, next video. You can suggest what should be the topic of my next video so that I will certainly talk about that topic. I will solve the questions on that topic. Please suggest your difficulties in comment box. So I will certainly going to make the videos on those topics. Meet you again with next topic. Till then, wish you good luck, all the best. Before saying goodbye to you, I would like to request you, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Because if you like the or if you write down the comments, so we get the feedback. On the basis of feedback, there is always enhancement. The teaching is an art. Teaching is not taught in the closed school or colleges. So we keep on enhancing our teaching methods. We are not perfect, but we always try to improve our teaching. So through your comments, we try to improve ourselves. Please write down your comments in the comment box. Meet you again with next video. Till then, wish you good luck. All the best.